A man can never beat a woman in love and hate, a man can never love the way a woman loves. Everyone does well in the beginning, the only problem is staying till the end. Woman falls in deep love with such a man by being impressed by him in just a few hours, who is handsome and well-mannered as well as rich. Wise and sensitive people always suffer from grief and worry. People who don't have time to give to you, it is meaningless to keep crying about your love after them, because once the heart gets used to the attention of two words found in begging, then it will be the same begging for the rest of its life. Most people give so much attention in the beginning, they don't even tolerate 2 minutes of our silence, they ask about our ignorance 1,000 times, but then the time comes that even our long silence has effect on them. Our angriness and ignorance, everything becomes meaningless. If a man wants to impose his remembrance on a woman's mind, he should express love to her on 2 occasions. First, when she is angry, give her love. Second, when she is upset, give her support. Learn to be happy, learn to love yourself, don't look for happiness in others. If you depend on others, you will lose your identity. Believe me, life is very beautiful, just there is need to feel its beauty. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.